Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add an email subscription pop-up to Blogger via Mailchimp. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Blogger, just click on the Create Account option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, adding an email subscription pop-up to your Blogger via Mailchimp can greatly benefit your website because it's a powerful tool to capture your visitor emails. By integrating Mailchimp with your Blogger site, you can efficiently grow your email list, giving you a direct line of communication with your audience. Not only that, email subscribers are often more engaged than social media followers or website visitors. They have willingly opted to receive updates from you, indicating a higher level of interest in your content. With the Mailchimp tools, you can send targeted and personalized emails to keep your subscribers engaged and coming back for more. Now, the first thing we need to do to set that up is, once we are here in the theme option, just go to the customize section. Now, before you do anything else to your Blogger site, you might want to click on the backup, because from here you make sure that any changes that will happen, it won't affect your website. And if you don't like the changes, you have a downloaded backup of your theme so you don't lose any changes you have made. All right, then once you've done that, click on Edit HTML. Now, the fun part is you can press F12 on your computer. That would give you an option to the back end part of your Mailchimp, in your Blogger. Now, what you need to do is go down to the very bottom, search for the style, and by doing it, you need to Control F, search for style, and that will lead you here and all the way to the script at the very bottom. Right, there you go. Now, if this method is not right for you, and if you think this it is gonna be hard, we have another option. Okay, let's explore that instead of this one. It's a little bit technical, but if, say for example, you don't have a coding experience or coding background, this is gonna be really hard for you. Now, skipping that method, let's go to Mailchimp. All right, from here, all I have to do is create a sign up form. All right, now from here, all I have to do is click a pop-up form. All right, that's gonna be for our Blogger. Need to select an audience, maybe just one, and click begin. All right, obviously we need to edit the form later once we move along. And from here, as you can see, this is going to be the pop-up. Now we need to integrate this to the Blogger, obviously. Now there's an easier way for you to do that to avoid any hassle of integrating and automating all of these. You can simply go to this specific website called Make, because from here you can connect Blogger and Mailchimp integrations. Now, you can connect Blogger and Mailchimp with any of your favorite apps in just few clicks. You can design, build, and automate anything work for you by integrating apps like Blogger and Mailchimp, especially if you're having problems adding an email subscription pop-up to Blogger. All right, now from here, as you can see, you can select a trigger for the Blogger, and you can select an action to the Mailchimp. All right, and from here, say get a subscriber or edit a subscriber. That's going to be from a pop-up form. Now, if you wanted to know how it works, okay, so basically just click on the get started free option here in the center. Okay, so once we are here, all we have to do is create our own new scenario. Click on the plus button here. And obviously, we're searching for Blogger, right? Click on that. And that's going to be for, maybe create a post. Okay, so create a connection. Now for the content, obviously we need to look for the and then from here, obviously we need to add another apps here, which is going to be our Mailchimp, right? Click on that, and that's going to be for our pop-up. As you can see right here, having a large engaged email list opens up for opportunities for your blog. You can promote affiliate products, sell your own products or services, or even run sponsored email campaigns. Now, with a Mailchimp segmentation automation features, you can tailor your emails to different subscriber segments, maximizing the effectiveness of your efforts, right? And of course, Mailchimp provides robust analytics and reporting tools that allows you to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can see metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, allowing you to optimize your email marketing strategy over time. By adding an email subscription pop-up to your Blogger site via the Mailchimp right here, you can leverage the power of email marketing to grow your audience, increase engagement, drive traffic, and ultimately achieve your blogging goals. Because let's face it, email subscribers are often more engaged than social media followers or website visitors, right? They have willingly opted to receive updates from you, indicating a higher level of interest in your content. With a Mailchimp tools like here, you can send targeted and personalized emails to keep your subscribers engaged and coming back for more. As you can see, you can connect your site, and that's obviously gonna be your Blogger, right? So now type in your Blogger website, and by clicking on that, you can click and get started, or you can do that later. All right, and as you can see, there's a code earlier. If you wanted, you can copy this code, check connection. All right, now, once you are back here in Blogger, just go again to Style and copy all the entire. Go to Style right here, the first one. And obviously, you need to paste what you have copied earlier at the very bottom, right? And once you've done that, all you have to do is click on Publish, click on Save, and you would be able to view have a preview of a theme right here. You can search, you can view it with a desktop, your mobile, all right, or even your smartphone. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.